Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable general ledger audit numbering and set preferences in NetSuite. Do not forget to visit coleno.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes, and let's get started. First thing first, we need to enable the GL audit numbering. So I will go into Setup, Company, Enable Features, Accounting subtab, and under Basic Features, you see the accounting periods, and what we're looking for, the GL audit numbering. So I will save it. Next, we will go into Setup, Accounting, Accounting Preferences. So in the General subtab, under General Ledger, we are looking for GL audit numbering here, the GL audit numbering method. So you can choose between base accounting period, quarter, or year. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. And now I'm showing you how to set reporting and search preferences. So I will go to Home, Set Preferences, and on the Analytics subtab, we're looking under Reporting. We want to select Financials Only or All Reports in the Report by Period list. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and thank you for watching.